It's time for another ThruNite flashlight video review. This flashlight is called the TC20 Pro. It has a lot of cool features, so let's dive right in. Inside the box, you have your manual, a lanyard, a USB-C charging cable, a nice holster with belt strap that keeps your flashlight safe, and of course, the TC20 Pro. This flashlight has a strong aluminum body and feels super rugged. It has a really grippy design and fits in your hand well. This flashlight is a little bigger than most of the other ThruNite flashlights that we've tested, so it doesn't have a dual direction pocket clip. But what it does have is a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. This makes it capable of shining some really bright light. With a max beam distance of 348 meters and a brightness of 3294 lumens, you'll be sure not to miss a thing. I tested it around our farm, and on the brightest settings, it is blindingly bright in the small trails. If you want to dim your flashlight, you could just press and hold the button on the side. This cycles through low, medium, and high, and if you want to switch to turbo mode, you could double tap. This directly goes to the brightest setting and gives you max coverage. It was more than bright enough for what I need it for. It feels durable and gives a nice grip in your hand. It has a long-lasting battery, has emergency modes like strobe, and is even IPX8 waterproof. What more could you want? So if you're looking for a strong and powerful flashlight, the TC20 Pro might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the trails for a nice little night hike. See ya!